Then this is the outer loading. The results are more than 0.7. And then next, the converge alpha and the composite reliability. Both of them is above 0.7. And then for the AFE is above 0.5. And then this is the Fornell-Larker criterion. All meet the criteria. And then for the R-square for GPI and GPB is more than 50%. 57.8% of the variation in green purchase intention can be explained by our three independent variables: green knowledge, SMIS, or social media information sharing, and subjective norms. This is a substantial proportion, indicating that these factors are indeed powerful drivers of intention. Similarly, 58.2% of the variation in green purchase behavior is explained by our research model with GPI as the mediating variable. Next, all the hypotheses are acceptable from hypothesis 1 to hypothesis 7. We can see the p-value all below 0.05. That means it's significant. And then for the t-statistics is above 1.96. And then this is the mediation effect size for hypothesis 5, 6, and 7. We've got 0.01 and 0.06, indicating small mediating effect. And we've got 0.09, indicating moderate mediating effect. Next, from a theoretical perspective, our study validates the integration of SOR and TPB frameworks. This combined approach successfully explains green consumer behavior in the digital era. By extending the existing literature on sustainable consumption, the findings demonstrate that social media plays a crucial role in shaping green intentions, and this confirms that digital platforms are not just communication channels, but a powerful tool for promoting environmental consciousness and sustainable behavior. And then for the environmental knowledge emerge as an empowering factor. Consumers who understand environmental issues are better equipped to make sustainable choices. And social norms significantly matter because the influence of peers and social expectations should not be underestimated in driving green behavior. For practical application, we suggest for businesses, they should use social media not just for ads, but to educate, create content that builds a community around green living. And then for educators and policymakers, we must continue to improve environmental education, because knowledge is the foundation of change. And then for society, we should work together to make buying green a normal social expectation. When it becomes a shared value, more people will participate. In conclusion, this study makes several key contributions to the sustainability literature. Our integrated theoretical framework provides a comprehensive understanding of how external digital stimuli and internal psychological processes work together to drive green consumption among digital natives. We have confirmed that social media is a powerful driver of green consumption, validating its importance in sustainability strategies for the digital era. The research demonstrates that knowledge and social norms are essential pillars for sustainable behavior change. Addressing both dimensions is critical for closing the awareness behavior gap. Finally, our finding emphasize that digital-based strategies are no longer optional, but critical for promoting green consumption among younger generations. Looking forward, future research would explore the influence of specific social media platforms and content types, and then examine cross-cultural comparisons to understand if these patterns hold in other developing countries, and also investigate longitudinal behavior patterns to understand how green purchasing habits evolve over time. Here, you can see our key references. The full reference list is available in our complete paper. Thank you for your attention. I hope this research provides valuable insights. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you presentation, Mr. Alexandra. Any question, everyone? Hello, everyone. Any questions? I have some question for your paper, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Which of the similar perspective of use or information quality show a strong Pets coefficient toward building chatbot trust?
Chatbot trust.
Yeah, why?
Our paper doesn't have variable chatbot trust, Miss.
Tapi, but is term. Why?
I'm sorry?
Tam is green theory. Are you green theory? Tam?
TAM,
Yeah.
the grand theory.
Yeah, the integrated SQL framework.
SOR and TPB, we
Yeah.
use the theory of time behavior.
Yeah. Why the theory plan of behavior or TAM?
We use theory of time behavior
Yeah.
because
With
as
TAM.
our research framework,
Yeah.
TPP is theory plan behavior. So before we plan to do something, there has a stimuli or the reason we do action.
Mhm.
So this is the apa ya namanya? The stimuli, the green knowledge, the social media information sharing, and the subjective norms as a reason. And then the reason, it becomes the intention, the green purchase intention. So people tend to buy things because they know the knowledge of the green or the environmental knowledge, and then they know about the social media sharing about the green products, and the subjective norms is friends and family. All of these, the independent variables, it generates people to intend to buy green products. And then the intention becomes action, the green purchase behavior. People, by intention, they buy the eco-friendly products. And that becomes the theory plan behavior because they plan before they buy the green products, the environmental friendly products.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, what about your novelty?
The novelty, the research gap is the mediating variable because other research hasn't integrated this model. They have research green knowledge to GPI. They have research SMIS to GPI, SN to GPI. And then there's journals about GPI to GPB, but there's no integrated framework like this, the green purchase intention as the mediating variable through GK, SMIS, subjective norms, and then to the independent variable, the green purchase behavior.
How long your research?
How long our research is? Probably 3 to 6 months.
Oh, very long, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
The next presentation, we have the Mr. Agustinus and Adeline.